Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the psychology. Of course, the several person doing got a link and a Benjamin the president. Yeah, so of course, the 27th of August, min of Kalhamala, of course. Don't can scroll and figure a posting Africa it's psychology. As you can see, kwala naga hatsala ko psycho independent. I'm a 50-50. Ave ndana atlatsala ko 4 ways as you can see kwala. So if you guys follow la ga sholo if you got post a studio show car, I can see it's very very impressive. So obviously the whole message here or notion that I tesa go evla go ishona studio shena of course this is anga ga shishwa. Ukwango dotsa so post a shulu shikashinga na direction nje. Okay, check out the reactions we can see most people come now vanga believe swona as you can see kuna 673 and you can check la vana avango va ku hlekeni vo tala ku komba ku vanga va swi believe in swilo leswi as you can see ku hleka vanhu va 10 ntsena as you can see lava n'wana vo fika va reacta with love however swimsayikho la yi loko hembeleni ka vanhu nga swi vula tani because studio xa image yaleyo yo fika yi download ngwenya so after a quick research no need no na misa hala na ku swi ndise ku yini but ni kota ku va ni identifier the original image ni swi kuma ku image leyi yi tekiwe kwini ku yiviwe kwini yeah so the owner of course of that image vanhu lava i company leyi ya Ska B vanhu lava of course va tirhaku va xavisa equipment ya music ma vona mhaka leyi so loko u fika scroll la mi ta tlhela mi swi vona u yi tlhela yi vona na a different angle ya that studio as you can see ku fana leyi ma swi vona ku it's still the exact same studio ma swi vona the platform leyi na swipikara leswiya swa ha vuya na swona there is a resemblance ni ta tlhela ni ya mi komba leyi original of course no mi komba ku hi xona studio lexiya as you can see leyi yin'wana angle la so vanhu of course va tirha na swilo swo xavisa equipment ya le mi yi vona kwalawa nga tlhela hi tlhelela ka this one as you can see my one is the same so I vete ni famba ya ka leya yi nga yivi hi psychology hi mi komba ku image liya yo huma kwini so na mina ni vona swi nga make sense ku misayiko izi ya hembi studio what's happening because ni twa na mavaravara as already stated ka yin'wana videos ku na ku veri va yi cacini ka khongula mariti so a ni tivi ku u nga ku ndleka yini kumbe xana timhaka to hi nga ha swi vona swi va December bonyo sweswi kumbe u nga ku ri timhaka ta swona we never know so ni kombela ni mi kombela that image faster as you can see ma swo hi leyi hi le ku fambeni a hi ri smooth hi leyi a yi tlika hi leyi so hi leyi image liya of course yi nga yiviwa hi misayicom la yi tlhela yi vona kahle of course yi ri na quality yo image leyi a ku ri swi fambisana psychology studio lexiya o ku hembi hi leswo so yi kumeka ku khampani leyi a ni kha ni yi cheka let's quickly go to the website hi kota ku swi kuma ku yi kumeka kwini a fi hi nga ngheni ka profile ya yena lo a fi hi nghena ka website so website ya vona of course hi leyi very scabini as you can see kwalano wa fika yi ya hi ku company hi kota ku kuma details hi ku about us hi ku ni nga ta kuma ku this company yi nga va yi kha yi kumeka kwini to be specific hi tirhisa xini a hi tirhiseni Facebook I think Facebook yi ta olovisa swilo fast leyi ku Facebook a ni ka page of course va ta vheta va tsala ku swi le kwini like swi huma kwini straight and then hi tleka hi ku about hi kota ku vona ku picture leyi or vanhu lava xavisaka this equipment va kha va kumeka kwini why ni tirhisa Facebook leyi mphuntanyana leyi I'm not sure why loko hi nghena so yi vheta yi humesa leyi yi nga ni yise ka app mara swilongheni so ya ka about we can see ku ri swilo leswi i swa le Denmark as you can see hi leyi hi Denmark before va hemba vo ku swi le USA it's Denmark hi leswo so misayikho mi kha mi posta hey ku na timenemene masiku lama mi fike mi va careful na ha lavisisa swilo man even then of course hi nda hi ya ka several person rangana yeah I feel like there is a problem ku beni ma yi nga xiwo karhala video already a hi lwa lehi swona obviously kambe swi ni tlhela hi vula ku president of course yi ta tlhela continue kha yi tsala these words laha hi nga kombisaka of course swi fambisana na album ya yona ti-titles and stuff like that or marito yo karhi ma kumaka andzeni ka tinsimu stuff like that mi nga mi swi vonini so loko hi kha hi cheka la we can see ku ri Billionaire President yi le ku pusheni ka album ya yona which is strange because ku hi swona a fika swi kha ku ta album ya several press rangana ma yi kona mhaka leyiwa so Billionaire President yi busy hi swa yona mi nga kha mi swi vona like yi ri ka swa several press rangana so I feel like ku na a reason for this because loko ho cheka several press rangana I don't know, guys. It looks like it does not care or something. I don't know. No, we can check account yo no kuro kan he expect ko album yo kay of course soon August ama kum kayo or early September somewhere around there. It's very very strange because as you can see like it looks like it does not care. As long as it looks like it does not care. Expect Ben Mangan go I push and then one you go na is in a makana shona. That's time we post I should show you an album. August 19th July of it's like Dr. Joshua man, do you still remember? So obviously, do you still remember? It's a several persarangana. I just confirm in so I'm get whoop. My gonna makaliwa. So after that, yo we shift corner shift video. Shinga vesha upload do I ben mangani mishuoli na shona do kashi posha kwa la. It looks like it does not care. My gonna makali. So na ben manga shkom na anga ba alo karana na because ona na shkom na ya e business na yena because kufiku ta album ya several persarangana not ben manga ntri. My gonna makali so several persarangana mina ka balatan ko ay ko masuki si zama ko yi pusha album ya yona because I'm being exing gamia yona like we can see she's pushing a project my gonna makali go ashora to say come on wa karhala I mean like don't know na beri manga busy na shona so hey several persarangana advice yale push an album munda drama mita trend do something tana drama mo chingara shonga rangani just do something kuwa kuna drama leswo swi laveka ku sweswo hi leswo
hello Herini khani mfonela phela hama senomuka man alada mbyela swa ku tsutsumani mi ta ka OBC na vuswa va ringekisa vhoroso mo swa ni sukini me na ku hela yi herini na ku tele